Congratulations on successfully running Diamonds. This highly engaging gaminar provides participants the opportunity to learn about topics like strategy design and implementation, filtering information and team decision making, clear communication, team cohesion, and implementing a successful trial and error approach. At the same time, the objective which pushes participants towards collaboration between teams adds a new layer of complexity to the entire experience. During discussion moments between the stages, ask participants to focus on sharing their experience. Get them to talk about their strategies and observe how agile they are in making changes within their teams. When reaching the final debrief, start by asking participants to explain how they managed the flow of information in their teams. Move forward by asking them how they filtered that information and what they used to base their decisions on. Encourage participants to refer to their day-to-day lives and observe whether the same behaviours appear there as well. Invite participants to think about the appetite for risk which they saw in their teams and to also compare this behaviour to their day-to-day lives. A very revealing conversation revolves around the way in which they communicated within their teams. Did they listen and understand each other? Were all ideas taken into account? If not, why not? Go deeper by asking them how information was shared, but also ask them whether they found it easy to switch from being competitive to a collaboration-based model. Finally, ask them to remember how many mining attempts they did during stage 1 and how that number changed over the following stages. At the same time, ask them to analyse the speed of their decision-making during stage 1 compared to the last 2 stages. How did they react to assumptions? Were they open to basing their team decisions on assumptions? And how did different pieces of information connect to each other? Help participants go deeper in their analysis by asking them to provide examples and comparing this behaviour to their regular day-to-day life. This debrief structure can be further adapted to focus more on topics like communication and decision making, designing a strategy and implementing it in an agile manner, creating and implementing test scenarios, or prioritising important information. Please find all resources on the Diamonds page. To get there, go to your Gaminar dashboard, click on Gaminars under Info and Resources and select Diamonds. Scroll down to find presentation videos, editable PowerPoint support and one-page files, tutorial videos, facilitator guides and more. But above all, practice. Understand all aspects of this gaminar to deliver memorable experiences to your participants.